So, Dr. Kirubi,
Yes.
the year is coming to an end. What would be your message to Kenyans out there, all investors, and the youth that you're very passionate about for 2019?
Pius, what I would like to say to the youth is to wish them first a Merry Christmas. They should enjoy themselves, but they should not overindulge in drinking alcohol. They should realize that too much of anything is not good. So I look forward that we will not lose any youth by drunkard and driving. Secondly, I would like to wish the youth, when their parents would want a gift, the best gift they can give them is a voucher to go and have their medical check, to check their full attention to cancer, because if you can check your status, you can catch the cancers at the early stage, and that will help you to be treated. If you are catching it too late, it's very difficult. And for everybody, I just hope that they'll make merry, their families will meet, will go and visit each other. And Kenya is a happy country. This is a country with a great leader. President Uhuru Kenyatta, when he opened this mall, him and I made a photo over there on CK Square. Yes. So he wished us a lot of success. And I can't think of anybody else leading this country. He is a man who cares for all the Kenyans. He's looking forward to give people free medical attention. There's nothing else you can give to somebody than good health. And he is determined to do that.
Very passionate.
So that our people don't just die because they don't get medical attention. And we hope we'll remember this is stage of what he's doing with a lot of passion. And I wish everybody success. But success doesn't come easily. It comes because you work hard. So let us all get back to work and work very hard. Yes.
So, Dr. Kirubi, from one investor to all investors out there looking to invest in Africa or have been investing in Africa, what is your message for the new year 2019 to them?
My message to all investors, Pius, is that we wish them a lot of happiness, a lot of success during the merrymaking period. It's a time to be with the families, and it's time to reflect and to see how much opportunity did one take. Did I invest my money, or did I let an opportunity escape me? So I'm looking forward that there are very many good advisors, including your company, can advise anybody who wants to invest. So wish you the best of luck, and you can only be poor by choice. And the merrymaking, be happy, but remember, back to work and work hard. Work never kills, but it pays. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kirubi.
Yes.
Merry Christmas once again, and a prosperous New Year from all of us at Nabo Capital. Invest in Africa.